Welcome to Ruby Art Academy online drawing classes for kids. Today I will draw Father's Day special drawing. At first keep your paper vertically, 4-finger space from the left portions. Draw a circle with a coin. Draw eyes, center of this circle, nose, lip. From here draw hair, ear. Next take a dot here. From this dot 5 centimeter, draw 2 centimeter standing line, slanting line, join with this standing line for making tie. One finger down, draw a 5 centimeter slipping line. Take dot on both sides of this tie. From this dot join with a slanting line on both sides. Draw 2 slanting line for making collar of the shirt. Take dot on both sides on the slipping line. From this dot 5 centimeter standing line on both sides for making pant. From draw slipping line small size, then slanting line for making pant of the father. Draw shoes. Another shoes will be same. Next draw shirt. Draw a curve line for making hand. Next draw double curve line will be double. Draw finger like this. Another hand will be same process apply for another hand like this. Next I will draw a girl. 2-finger space, draw a circle with this coin for making girl. Draw hair like this, ear on both sides. Four centimeter down, take a mark on both sides. Draw curve line, join with a curve line. Go for next step. Draw eyes, nose and lip. From here draw hand, just draw a curve line and join with her father hand. Another hand will be same. Draw a standing line 5 centimeter for making balloon. Draw a balloon. Next draw curve line for making neck. Keep your fingers center of this curve line. Both sides draw dots. From this dot draw legs. Draw a bend. Both sides draw curve line for making hair. Draw hair like this. Draw bottom. 2 circle. Draw curve line. Next, three finger up from this curve line, take a mark, draw curve, many curve line for making sky like this. Draw again curve line on the upper portion. I have finished this drawing. Use black sketch for outline. Do outline with black sketch pen. This drawing is very special for Father's Day. Next 15th June, Father's Day. Black sketch a must for outline before coloring. Today I will use pastel color. Use black sketch, be carefully, very carefully. Erase the pencil mark after black sketch. Every pencil mark erased will be after black sketch. Next go for next step. Use peach color for making skin. Skin color is peach. Hand, face will be skin color. Tie will be red color, and girls also collar will be red color. Girls frock will be red. Don't color the circle. Shirt will be yellow color. Next color, use blue for pant. On the pant, use on the pant. Girls hair will be brown color. Also the upper portions will be brown color. Don't color the band. Band will be yellow color. Red color use on the balloon. Use orange color for outline on the skin. Dad's hair color will be black. Shoe also black color. Girls shoe also black color. Hand same color. Dot will be black color. Next apply dark blue color. Dark blue, the upper portions will be dark blue color. Don't color the lower portions. Only upper portions will be dark blue. Next color sky. on the next portions. Next, use dark green color for lower portions. Draw grasses like this. At first, draw a standing line on both sides. Draw curved line. Draw many grasses like this on the lower portions. Next color, apply light green. Light green color apply on these lower portions fully. Cover the grasses with dark light green color. Fully blend it the lower portions with light green color. I have finished it. Thank you so much for watching.